Gentlemen, Dave Machine Gun.
So here we have another fighter from House of Gladiators, Devgan. He's actually from Jharkhand. He's also someone who's returning to ECS. The last time in the first edition of ECS, he stepped up against Nepal's Navraj and at lightweight competed there on 10 days notice. The fight did not go his way and he was hoping to get another opportunity at ECS so that he can perform and show how good he is when he competes at his weight class. And I don't know if it's good or bad, but he now has another Nepalese prospect in front of him, an undefeated Nepalese prospect in front of him, a prospect who I am very fond of personally, Sunil Pun. And Devgan has an opportunity to derail Sunil Pun's 5-0 victory streak, and he has a big task.
Sunil is a pretty well-known fighter in Nepal, so if he wins against Sunil, like anything is possible, man.
I think it's an uphill task. Considering the well-roundedness of Sunil, but Devgan has come in great shape this time. He's worked hard, he had time to prepare for it, and he has come in with a lot of belief. So let's
introducing his opponent in the co-main event, ladies and gentlemen, representing Pokhara Fight Club. Give it up, make some noise for Sunil.
सही बात बोली भाई जो बोला ना तुमने उसको अप्लाई किया वेरी गुड डेविड इज द मेडिकल गाइस लेफ्ट नहीं वहां मेडिकल पूरा हो रहा ओह गुड Now we have Sunil Pun from Nepal, the pride of Pokhara, coming from a gym, which has produced a lot of, I believe, the region itself produces so many tough fighters. I've heard Coach Diviz himself, one of the leaders of Nepal when it comes to the MMA scene, talking about how.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting on the blue corner, representing House of Gladiators, weighing in at 66 kilograms, is the record of 10-3. Give it up, make some noise for Dave Machine Gun! Fighting on the red corner, representing Pokhara Fight Club, weighing in at 66 kilograms, is record 5-0. Ladies and gentlemen, the unshakable Sunil!
Gentlemen, you've been over the rules. It's a clean fight. Obey my instructions at all times. When I say stop, stop. If you want to touch gloves, do it now. Come on, fighting. God bless.
Both fighters touch gloves. what I was saying earlier was, Coach Diviz, I've heard talk about how the guys who come out of Pokhara seem to be offering something more, like a lot tougher. They seem to be much harder. And Sunil is here with an undefeated record. And now he's going to be facing Devgan Marandi. Both of them are already exchanging shots. Good right hand lands for Sunil.
Now that's a battle. Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
Devgan Marandi just dropped Sunil!
Oh, shit! That was electric!
That was a brutal right hand.
Devgan Marandi, he did not come to play. He got that shit done in round 1, baby. Let's go!
It seems like Sunil is cut really bad and Devgan got the job done. Devgan showed. He was talking about how he wasn't able to show his entire skill set the last time, Prakhar. And this is what he does when he fights at his weight class. A 5-0 undefeated prospect from Nepal. Oh, that was a hard right hand, man. Sunil is being attended to by the medical team right now. I'm sure
Sunil had no answer for that.
Oh, man.
That was right down the alley,
You know,
man.
honestly, I didn't even expect Devgan to exchange in the pocket. He usually doesn't do that. He's made these improvements in the last few fights, man.
Devgan Marandi, the world is this guy's right now, man. He can do anything. Let's go.
And he moves to 11-3 while giving Sunil Pun his first amateur loss. What a spectacular victory, man. I'm waiting to hear how quick this victory was. Because that was a quick finish.
That was a tough night for Sunil Pun. So,
Congratulations to Devgan, to House of Gladiators. And of course, this was an India versus Nepal matchup. We all know how heated that gets. And India comes out on top in this one.
the comments.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching the co-main event of
Let the
ECS.
comment section wars begin.
And your winner in the round 1 is 17 seconds by KO from the blue corner, Dave Machine Gun.
Love the respect shown by Sunil.
Dave, stay here with us. We saw your face-off yesterday. It was electrifying. You want to say something about your face-off?
भारत माता के भारत माता के मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूं अपने मम्मी पापा के लिए लव यू पापा लव यू माँ आई लव यू मम्मी पापा लव यू कोच लव यू राजेश सर लव यू सादिक सर लव यू आदि सर मैं गलत साबित करना चाहता था पिछले बार हारा था नेपाल से बहुत अफसोस हुआ लेकिन मैंने इसमें काम किया I did hard work always pay I am the champion I am the king thank you
Thank
That
you so
KO
much.
was the
Thank
power
you.
of love. Love got that KO. Shit.
What a performance, man. These last fights as they're ending have been so intense, brother. And we have the best seats. I'm so happy.
That was some sick shit, man.
This one is a victory which means a lot to Devgan, as you can see.
I mean, anyone who wins inside the cage, it's like months of training,
Yeah, so much
all
hard
that
work.
hard work, all that